Okay, today we're going to put some Rubicon decals on the sides of my hood. So we're going to start off by cleaning the area. We've already done that. Now what we're going to do is, let's get these out of the way, we're going to wet it. There's actually some stuff called Rapid Tac that you usually want to put down so you can move the sticker around and position it. You could buy that stuff. I actually had this for some window film that I put up. There's also a recipe that I'm probably going to put on the screen to show you how to make your own. But we're going to squirt this on, get it good and wet. You know what?
This one's a little tricky because it's individual letters and we're trying to make sure we don't peel them off of its backing. There you go. Need to spray it again.
Well, we're going to get the back of the sticker.
Oh.
So I actually want this in a certain spot. So I've got my tape measure out. I'm going to measure in how far to the letter. I'm going to go 4.5 to the sticker. Yeah.
Do 4.5 both sides?
Yep. And then we're going to, or it's actually 4.5 from the top. I'm not as concerned about this.
And then you got to go from the bottom up, or?
I'm just going to eyeball that because I think it looks pretty well set. So now it needs to dry for about an hour. Let's go do the other side. All right, time to do the other side. Same thing. And of course, because it's wet, we could move it around however we want to move it. I'm going to go 4.5 inches again to the letter from the top here. Looks like I got a little ways to go. Just a little too far. Perfect. All right, now we just need to wait for it to dry. Be back in an hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour. We're going to take the outer sticker off to reveal the Rubicon sticker. You just want to pull from both sides, and then you just want to kind of do it real even and just push it down the whole time. Looks like I could have waited a little longer. I see that one's coming up just a little. Yeah, I put a lot of fluid underneath this. I saturated it because, of course, I don't do this every day. So I wanted to make sure that I could move it around as much as possible. So it looks like if you saturate the way I did, you might want to wait longer than an hour.
Might just need a light spray next time. It still worked out though.
There we go. Just make sure there's no air bubbles in it. And I would give it, if yours is as wet as mine, I'd give it a little bit more time to dry, and then after it's dry, I would clean it up. You can see I have dirt all around the lettering. But looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe. Check out our other videos. Thanks.